So, spoiler warning. I know there's like 2. I'm just going after this. Because there will be, if you don't like seeing dead stuff, then don't watch. Because at the end of this video, there is going to be shown a dead puppy. You'll see it later. Anyways, goodbye. They're so cute! These are Daddy's puppies.
Dead boy.
Dead boy.
At least it's only one.
We got all of these.
Sometimes there's a lot that are dead in the litter. Sometimes some
has brown like the thing that Dad wanted.
sometimes dad. Oh. Most of these puppies have brown like Dad wanted. Like this guy. This guy. He's big.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
He's probably the oldest.
Probably was. But
Look how cute. These ones look like a ranger. Some of them look like Duchess, like this one. This one looks like Duchess, right?
pet him. Pet him right here.
They're all so cute.
Anyways, this is